repair. Concrete is a strong, durable material, but even so, it will eventually collapse under the influence of external factors. The builders we're now showing you are repairing various types of damage to the concrete pavement. The tools they use are simple though. So the work is mainly done by skilled hands. First of all, the concrete is mixed. Small cracks are easy to treat. They're cleaned, brushed, and filled first with a special compound, and then coated with concrete using a small trowel. When it comes to repairing a wider crack, it is first increased in size. However strange that may sound. Then it is cleaned, wetted, filled with solution, and leveled. Now the master starts repairing the edges of the footpath. First, as in previous cases, the damage is cleaned. Then the broken concrete is removed because the surface on the edges must be hard and strong. Then the master drills a hole in the concrete and sticks a metal bar into it, and then makes a support to shape the edge of the path. The concrete is then poured into the hole. You can even replace an entire section of the path yourself. Old concrete and excess soil are taken out. Once again, the worker makes a wooden mold to pour the concrete. He sprays the wood with oil to make it easier to remove it later. First, a thin layer of sand is poured into the mold and compacted, and then the concrete is cast.